Hi everyone, my name is Marcus and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a subscriber or a returning viewer, I have some news for you. I've decided to split this channel into two separate YouTube channels. The current channel, Marcus Class, is going to remain under the name of Marcus Class, just like it's always been. But we're going to change the content to solely focus on technology relating to cameras, videography, photography, and content creation relating to how to create videos for YouTube or other social media platforms, as well as following the growth of a YouTube channel. The second channel I'm going to create will be specifically automotive content. So that channel name I've decided to call Vehicle Mundo. So Vehicle Mundo as in world, M-U-N-D-O. I've chosen that name because it has a good search ability. People search for Mundo, people search for vehicles. The two words combined turn out pretty good in a search. And the added bonus is that nobody's using a name that has Vehicle Mundo. There are some popular channels such as Auto Mundo or Car Mundo, but no Vehicle Mundo. So that's what we're going with on that second channel. So the reason for this is because in social media, they always talk about staying in a lane or staying focused on one genre or niche. So I have been bouncing back and forth between two different niches, as you've noticed as a subscriber or a viewer of my videos. I'll do 4 or 5 videos relating to cars and car topics, and then I'll swing to a totally different niche, which is cameras and technology and content creation, or how-to videos relating to editing of videos for content creation. So the concern that I have is that the channel needs to be separated so that the viewers who subscribe for content relating to cameras and content creation can go to Marcus Class and get that type of content without having to get notifications or watch videos relating to cars and vehicles in the Minneapolis, Minnesota area. And then those who are coming to my channel to watch car videos, because that's their main interest and they don't really care about content creation or how to create videos, those people can go to the new channel, which will be Vehicle Mundo, and that channel will focus on those topics, so they'll get notifications about things that they're most interested in. I think long term this will help both channels grow. If you'd like to subscribe to the new channel, I've got that set up already, so go ahead and subscribe to Vehicle Mundo. I'll put a link in the description of this video to that new channel. And then one of the first things we're going to do on this current channel, Marcus Class, is focus on how to create a new channel on YouTube from scratch. So we're going to follow the progress of this new channel, Vehicle Mundo. I'll be putting regular videos on what the status of it is, different tasks that we need to accomplish. My goal on that new channel is going to be to post mainly short videos initially, perhaps several videos a day from different content that I've created. So I'm going to go ahead and chop up a lot of my video clips that I've posted on this channel into 15-second snippets, and then I'll upload them to YouTube Shorts on the YouTube Shorts program using the copyrighted popular music. And then my thought is that that content being put on YouTube with popular music will be searched more and found more and watched more, and that we can see how long it will take this new channel, Vehicle Mundo, to grow from being 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers where it can be monetized. So this is going to be a long-term journey. We don't know if it's going to take days. We don't think it's going to take days. It could take months. Will it take a year? We really don't know, but we're going to go ahead and split it out, and you can kind of follow that journey as a person interested in content creation on this channel. Now, if again you're not interested in content creation and the behind the scenes of creating a YouTube channel or content, then you can just go ahead and subscribe to Vehicle Mundo and watch all of the videos that I'll be putting up there. If you have a favorite video that relates to Corvettes or different shows that I've put on this channel, those are not going to disappear. They'll still be on the channel. They'll be less visible. You'll have to scroll through past video posts, or you can always search the channel by topic. So you can search for Coon Rapids Boulevard Cruise or Ferrari or Corvette, and you can still find all of the videos on this current channel. Slowly over time, I'll be posting a lot of those videos on the new channel as well. One of the things that I wanted to do when I created a YouTube channel was to help others. I get great satisfaction when I have a problem that I can't solve, and then I can share what I found to you to save you time and help you grow your channel or solve your issues and problems. I really like getting that feedback that something that I posted helped you, and that's really something I want to do, is long-term put out content that helps others. Now, I do know that my automotive content helps a lot of people as well. A lot of people can't get to these shows in the Minneapolis, Minnesota area or in their local communities, or just don't have the opportunity to see a lot of cool cars, such as classic cars like the Corvettes and Chevelles and Torinos and all kinds of different cars. So I know I have a lot of people that can't get out, they can't see this kind of content, and that's why they subscribe to the vehicles portion of my channel. And so again, you can still see all those videos on this channel, or you can go visit the new channel, Vehicle Mundo, and check them out there. Thank you for watching this video and your support of this channel. If you're interested in watching some of my future automotive content, make sure to subscribe to Vehicle Mundo. I'll put a link in the description below.